Alright, so I'm gonna load some M&Ms into the tray. So the trays come out and they do tilt downward if you prefer them to, just to kind of have better access to the back of the trays. But sometimes the product in the front might fall out. I like to keep it like this. That's the way I like it. So I'm gonna load some M&Ms, and usually what I do and what I tell my kids to do is count the number of M&Ms we're going to put in, and you always want to start from the back and go and work your way up to the front, just so you can see how the product is being placed inside the coil to make sure that it correctly fits inside the coil. So I'm going to put, let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna put 11. So I'll just go here and count back 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I like all of my stuff to be facing the same direction. So I'm gonna put the peanut head, I'm gonna put that facing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that. And just make sure it's inside the coil and not tilted this way, going into the front, the coil that's in the front. You want it to be neatly inside like that and touching the bottom of the tray. So just slide it in and slide it down and just make sure it hits the bottom. And that's it. All right, let's load some Nature's Bakery. So we have, well, it's one more, so let's just put it all. So it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll start from this coil. And slide it in. See? Usually if it's touching the bottom, it's good, because that means it's not like sitting on top of the coil like that. So see? But if you put it in and you can hear it touching the bottom, it's good. It's in there pretty good. And let's add some more to this one, the raspberry, the blueberry. 2, 3, 4, just put it all, because these sell pretty fast here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, like I said, this is pretty much one of the easier things you'll probably be doing with the vending machine is loading the product. And they're in there pretty tight. All right, so now let's add some house. I just loaded this up a few days ago, but it's empty. It's out. just want to make sure that the bag, once again, fits inside the coil that you're sliding it in. So you don't want it to be like that. You want it to be comfortably inside its own coil, like that. So the way the tray tilts down is really helpful when you're using the top tray, because it's kind of high, and you can tilt it down that way so you can reach the back. What's also good with this vending machine is it has this little storage down here. I keep water, I keep some sodas, and I keep some candy, you know, a few things down here. I have my label, price maker, air blower, and some other stuff for the machines if I need to switch anything out. This is very handy. I keep some change down here. Always need that. Thought I'd try something different this week, so I put in some plantain chips. We'll see how they like it.